I don't have time for broke men.
Bro, that's a disease, ain't it?
It is, and it's real horrible. I don't have time for that.
So,
okay.
So how do you just wait? So basically, you calling Sam broke?
Yeah, I'm calling Sam broke. He broke.
Oh,
He carries himself like a broke man.
That clip comes from the Streets Morning Takeover with Young Jock, Miss Shanika, and comedian Shawty Shawty. Take a second to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell. And if you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. Not going to waste any time here. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey, yeah, it's Sam from Atlanta, Georgia.
What's up, Sam from Atlanta, Georgia?
Hey, how's it going?
You know, it's everything cool, Sam.
What would you calling up here for, Sam?
Hey, look, man, I just need your help, okay? This girl I talked to a while back ago, I went to one of her parties, and she hasn't talked to me since.
All right, so how long were you dating this woman?
About 3 months.
About 3 months, okay?
3 months, yeah.
She just ghosted you out the blue, or?
Just ghosted me out the blue.
All right, Sam, you came to the right place. This is what we're going to do for you, Sam, because I'm very interested to know what happened in this situation. Well, put your phone on mute. Don't say nothing. And we're going to try. What's the young lady's name?
Victoria.
All right, we're going to try to get Victoria on the phone. Don't say nothing. And as soon as we tell you it's time, you'll have your day to shine. Okay, bro?
Okay.
All right, hold on. Yeah, he didn't give us nothing.
Maybe he was too nice for her or something.
He gave us that voice. He gave us this dorky, kind of lost person. Ain't a woman down with that.
What are you saying? He might date a dorky woman. We don't know.
So you have Sam here. He says that he's been talking to a woman. He went to one of her parties, and ever since the party, she's not answering his calls anymore. Didn't give much information other than that, so let's just keep listening.
Hello?
Hey, good morning. I speak to Victoria.
This is she. Who is this?
Hey, Victoria, you sound like you do not have time for any BS this morning, and we not here for it. You heard another voice? That's because you're on the phone with Young Jock, Miss Shanika, and Shawty Shawty with Young Jock in the Streets Morning Takeover. And I just want to know if we could talk to you for a few minutes.
Go ahead. Good morning.
Oh, yeah, you don't play the radio.
Now, Sam, what do you have in common with this unpleasant woman? She has a fresh attitude.
Listen, a young man called us up and said that y'all were dating or something, and you completely ghosted him. And I'm just trying to see what's going on. Are you familiar with a gentleman by the name of Sam?
Yeah, I'm familiar.
Oh, but why what he do to you, girl?
Why not, though?
I don't have time for broke men.
Bro, that's a disease, ain't it?
It is, and it's real horrible. I don't have time for that.
So,
okay.
So how do you just
wait? So basically, you calling Sam broke?
Yeah, I'm calling Sam broke. He broke.
Oh,
Why
He
you?
carries himself like a broke man.
Okay, in what way?
Long story short, we had a little kickback or whatever, and everybody was supposed to bring a bottle. So my friend showing up with 1942, like, we, Casamigos, we got it going. And he babysitting his little bottle of Patron all night. And so I'm watching him. I'm like, is he not going to open it? Like, what are you doing? Do you know he had the audacity to leave with that same bottle? It was unopened.
Whoa.
Why are you playing in my face, sir?
That's real broke.
Wait, he didn't open the bottle?
He didn't even open it.
Well, didn't nobody use it? I would say since y'all didn't need it.
Babysitting the bottle, you supposed to put the bottles on the table and be done.
Nah, true. Definitely, you supposed to put the bottle on the table. That's your contribution to the party.
Right.
That's it. So he never put the bottle on the table.
He never put the bottle on the table. He babysitting his little $40 bottle of Patron. Like, come on, sir.
The first thing she said out the gate, that she didn't have time for broke men. She said that Sam was carrying himself like a broke man because he showed up to the party. Everybody was supposed to bring a bottle, and he did not want to share his bottle. He kept it to himself the whole time. So you have Miss Booquisha on the phone. She is very upset about this bottle. She kept calling it his little bottle of Patron. Now, I do believe that Tarquisha is right here. It sounds like everybody was supposed to come to this party and then put their bottles on the table for everyone to consume. To me, it's kind of like a potluck. You don't bring a dish to the potluck and then hide the dish from everybody. So Starquisha, she might be right about that part. What I didn't understand is, how does that make him broke? And why is Laquisha mad over a bottle? You know what? Let's just keep listening because it has to be more than this.
Can I say something?
Go ahead.
Where you took him, was it people that he could relate to? Was he shy? Was he
I don't care about none of that. If
care about
I
none of that?
invite you, that means that I think you're going to be straight wherever we at.
Can I say something though?
Yeah, go ahead.
You know, just hearing you talk, y'all sound very different. Like y'all sound like y'all come from two totally different walks of life.
You sound like the west side, and he seemed like the
Buckhead.
upper north side.
You sound like Bankhead, he sound like Buckhead.
Yes.
Sometimes opposites attract, but I guess not. So.
I heard that. Well, guess what?
Talking about opposites attract. Sam is obviously a white man and he had no business going over there to the party trying to hang out with the black folks on the other side of town by himself. Sam, you lucky Jaquisha ain't set you up because it sounds like he's not used to hanging out with this crowd. They said that she sounds like West Side and he sounds like Buckhead. I'm with them on the Bankhead side. Barquisha definitely sounds like Bankhead. But Sam, he seems more like white Georgia. And no, I did not make that up. For folks who didn't know, there is a city outside of Atlanta, Georgia. It's called White Georgia. Look it up. You really have to be white to live there. There are no black folks in town.
We're going to attract your opposite this morning. He's on the phone.
Sam.
What is she talking about?
Sam, you know what happened at the party. Like, come on now.
No, where have you been?
Sam, did you take the bottle at the party? Did you brought for the party?
I mean, yeah, because I bought it, right?
So, wait. Okay, so you brought a bottle to a party, kickback or whatnot. You never put the bottle on the table or at the bar, handed it off to the guest, the host or the person's party. You just kept the bottle next to you.
I mean, no one seemed to really be looking at it, you know?
Nobody to look for. Okay.
Oh, they was looking.
Okay, so what prevented people from opening up the bottle? Like, were you hiding it or something? What's good?
No, I mean, it's my bottle. I get to take it home.
He was
right?
cradling it in his arms.
I mean, that's what I thought. I've never done one of these before.
For the white people watching, is Sam lying? He's acting like he's never heard of this before. Like white people don't have drinking parties or something. What is Sam talking about?
I've never done one of these before.
Acting all clueless. Like, where do you think Gucci Mane and Plies got white boy wasted from?
On wet tight jeans like the white boys, but I do get wasted like the white boys.
Yeah, some of y'all remember that was in 2009, and that was a shout out to the white boys who like to party. So Sam, stop playing and just tell Raquisha that you ain't want her and her friends touching your bottle. He got over there and decided that he was not going to share. That right there made her mad, and she decided that she wasn't going to talk to him anymore.
Okay, so Sam, it sounds to me, and I could be wrong. Are you not familiar with this type of party, this type of kickback, the whole concept of that?
I'll be honest. I'm not really. I'm sorry. I've never been to one of these before.
Well, let me ask you. I got a better question. Have you ever dated a black woman? Because she sounds really like hood. I ain't gonna say hood. She just sounds very urban, and you sound very suburban.
You know what? No, this is my first time dating a black woman. You know.
So you're not black?
No.
So did you feel anything at all might have been wrong with you taking that bottle
like people
out of the kickback?
Right, like people looking at you?
No, not at all.
Everybody was watching us leave, and he got this same little bottle in his hand.
What did you tell him to leave the bottle?
I told him, all right, go ahead, sit it down and come on over here and make yourself comfortable. And he was still holding it when I came back with my drink.
Wow.
Yeah, you was embarrassed. Okay. Sometimes culture shocks happen and you don't even realize it's happening. The man never been to a kickback. He probably never took a bottle to a party before, and he said it. So can you find it in your heart to give this man a second chance?
He's a good guy or whatever, but I don't think it's going to work. I don't have time to be trying to school nobody. I was trying something new. We just didn't mix.
Okay, well, I'm sorry you guys couldn't make it happen, man. Damn, Sam.
Sam.
I know.
You wasn't scared. Was you used to being around all them?
Victoria, I still got that bottle back at my place. So if you want, you can come over, pour your drink. Come on.
Sam shooting.
Give me another shot.
Sam say, I need another shot. What's it going to be, baby? You going to take him up on that offer or no?
Sam, you cute. You cute. I might come have a drink with you.
Sam trying to get that. Okay, so it sounds like it got reversed that fast, man. It's like we playing a game Uno. Reverse.
He cute.
Cute.
I'll give him that.
Hey, I did not believe that would turn around that way. Starquisha, she had a change of heart after Sam shot his shot again. At first, she was ice cold, but by the end, she started melting. She had never dated a white guy before. He never dated a black woman before. So it looks like both of them, they're trying something new. Do you think they could work out? Yes or no? Drop your response below. I want to send a special thank you to Shannon and Felix. Also, shout out to Tyrone W, Axe Truth, Julian, and Dark Power. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to PayPal and Cash App are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.